Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, as you can see, this is my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So in this video I would like to tell you about the two modifications you can do. You can say two add-ons you can do in your add in your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or any other phone. If you have an application called Good Lock, or you can install it from your Samsung store. Okay, first of all, good apart from Good Lock, I would like to show you a thing that we can do it from your that routine routine task. Okay, so what you can do, see what I have done. So this is like when you put a phone on charging, so you will see a basic circle coming up, and it shows like the value, the percent of your battery, and it start charging. Okay, so now I'll show you one more thing what I have done. So I have enabled something in my phone, and you can see the difference now. I have put a phone on charging. You can see the edge lighting effects of charging it is giving. Okay, so how we can enable it, I'll show you. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to phone settings. Okay, then you have to go to modes and routines. There you have to choose the routine tab at the bottom. You have no routine setup. What you have to do, you have to click on the plus icon. So you have to give the command, right? Okay, if what will trigger this routine, then what this routine will do. If I add something, then it is like a you must have you must have read if and else situation or if and then situation. It is like that only. So what I'll do, in the if column, I'll choose a plus sign here, and then you may see many modes or many things you can place it. So for specifically charging, I'll scroll down to charging status. Charging status, you can choose wired or wireless charging or not charging. So I'll choose charging and both. Okay, done. So if charging, okay, status is charging, then what my phone have to do, I'll choose effect, then beep once, vibrate once, and edge lighting effect once. I'll click on that. You can choose your edge lighting effects. Okay, you can choose the advanced duration and some everything here. Okay, so I'll choose a glitter. So you can see the preview here. Okay, advanced, go to advanced transparency. You can choose like high or less transparency. I'll prefer the width to be normal width. Okay, narrow, or not too narrow, not too wide. The duration should be short, or I'll put as a normal duration between long and short. Okay, I'll put a done here, and you can see if my phone status is in charge, if my charging status is in charging mode, then the edge lighting effect once will be a glitter one as per my customization. So what I'll do, I'll save here. You can choose an icon. Okay, from the gallery, from the icons below, I'll choose this. Like it is the automatic routine icon. It will not show you anywhere in the charging. Okay, so I'll put my phone to this, and then I'll charge it. You can see the edge lighting effect. So before and after effect, you can see that. I have put it on some longer duration, so you can choose according to it. First thing is that, okay. Now the second thing in this phone is you can download an application called Good Lock. What it does, I have to put on, okay. Put on the Wi-Fi or the data on. So what it does, it gives your phone to customize many things, many things widely as per your choice. Like you can choose the makeup of your phone, like how the clock face should look like, okay, how the edge lighting, you can choose that, like instead of the embedded the original edge lighting, you can add on few more edge lighting effects on your phone, okay. And then key cafe, you can customize your keys as per your requirement. Lock star, you can customize your lock screen. I have chosen two things in as per my need in the Good Lock. The first one is a nav star, navigation star. You can see the panel. You will not see that five icons, okay, in the bottom of your navigation panel. You will only see three icons: recent, home, and back button. So I have added camera and the screen lock button also. So how I did that, you have to go to nav star. You can choose you can choose like the new configuration here, okay. Then you can choose the button layout, add a button. You can add camera and switch off button, or as per your need you can add it. You can press you have to press this, but in order to reorder the button, you have to press the newly added buttons. Click on that and drag them here and there. Here it is, and I have dragged the screen lock button to this, okay. It look like so. Done, and then save it. Now you can see that a new navigation panel has been added. So this is my default one. It looks same, but I have just giving as a reference to you, so you can choose that. You can click on that and it will be chosen. If you can click on this, it will be your icon will be chosen as per the configuration. This one, okay, I'll choose this one, okay. Show and hide button, this is the dot, you can see if this is enabled. Show and hide button, you can see the dot here. So show and hide button, basically what it does, if you click on that, if you double click on that, it will hide the navigation panel here. So you need to drag it from there, and it will be like the floating window. If you double click on that, it will be like a it will show you permanently, but I prefer not to do this, because accidentally you may click on the double tap on this icon, and it will get difficult for you to navigate if you have that. Customization, navigation bar height, as per the customization you can increase or decrease the height of your navigation panel. So I'll choose it as normal. Swipe gestures, if you have the swipe gestures enabled in your phone, you can turn it on from here, and you can choose from the wide actions, and you can choose. This is one of the good thing I can say of the Good Lock, okay, one of the good customization I have made. The second thing I have made is like, go to the life of panel. You can see edge touch, nice catch, routine plus, multi-star, camera assist also, any other more features. What I have liked the most is the camera assist. The sound assist. Okay, what it does, you can see this dot here. Okay, when I click on it, it will give me the sound assistance here only. I don't have to click this volume button volume rocker button to, I can click on, but I don't have to click. I can simply, rather than clicking this button, I can simply click on the icon and I can, navigate to the volume of my phone. It will give me media volume. Okay, it will give me the ringtone, the Bixby volume, and many other volumes also, because my phone is in silent mode, so I can't show you like that. So ringtone, you can choose that. Okay, this is a notification, this is a system volume, this is the media volume. Choose from the wide options here. You can also choose the equalizer button also, from the sound assistance. So depend upon the, your choice, you can set up the equalizer also. So in the sound assistance panel, when you download it, you can choose from the multiple options you want, like customized volume panel. This is your simple volume panel. This will be okay. So if you switch off it, okay, so it will be your panel will look like if you don't customize it, it will look like this only. Like it will be on a fixed side. You can't drag it, and you will not see the floating button also. So switch on the customized volume button. So click on this custom. So move, if you click on move, layout left, show volume. So if you click on layout left, right, so you can drag that. Okay, move means you can move the button to right or left or up and down here. Okay, show the volume level if you want to show. If you don't want to show, floating button, sync position. If you don't, if you see, it is like if I click on it, so floating button will not be there. You have to manually activate this from the button only. Okay, so if you click on floating button, so what it does, it will you will see a floating button. Okay, it will be and it is like when you click on the floating button, sync position. So sync position is like, floating button is like floating button will sync with this with the panel here. Okay, so if the panel, if you set the panel layout to the left, and if you float the button here, so if you click on it, your panel will be open on the left side only. Okay, so it will not be sync with the floating button. If you sync it, okay, if you click on the sync floating button sync position, if I drag it here, so my panel will open where the floating button is. Dual app volume, you can if you have the dual app volume, so you can choose as per your need. Expanded panel, show toolbar functions here if you want to. Bluetooth metronome, if you want to do that. App volume, if you want to show the application volumes, the individual application volumes, you can do that. Okay, now go back and then make your own volume panel colors. Okay, here what I have done, so you will get a basic white panel volume button. Okay, volume panel, white panel with no effects and all. So here you can choose from the wide range of your panel button whatever you want to do. If you close it, if I don't choose it, you will get a simple volume button here. If I enable it, so I have modified it to the like slimmest with the lightning effect. Okay, you can choose the acrylic one also. You can choose the control type, it's bar, or you can choose it's in knob control type. Okay, the shapes, okay, you can choose from the wide range of shapes here, like the big shape, the small shape, whatever you want to do. Okay, theme, You can choose the following theme here if you want. If you don't want to make your panel through the acrylic colors, so you can choose the themes here rather than Flex UI tab. You can choose from the number of themes here, so it will be okay. So you have to download the theme park from for that, so you can. Other individual app volume, you can click on that, like it will show you, like if you have the individual, like suppose I have the Instagram volume to the 100%, so I can choose it, okay, from that. So you can plus add your applications here, okay. Other than that, control media volume. If you switch off that, then media panel will not show media manner mode. Change step volume means like whenever if I have the slider volume to 4, and by default my volume will be set to the 4 level only, okay, so I can increase from the 4. Select the steps on the media slider to adjust the rate at which the volume is changed, okay. So this is what that. Favorite media app, Bluetooth, Monotone, advanced settings. If you go, so you can go to the headphones advanced settings and all. Multi sound voice changer also, it will allow you to add your voice changer. So these all are the things, these all are the two major things which I have added in my phone. First is the lock effect, okay, the screen charging effect. Like if I charge it, so it will give me a lightning effect here, okay. And other thing, I have added a panel here, navigation panel, and a sound panel here, okay, with by which I don't have to hard press the keys every time, okay. So I just can press this icon. This is like an overlapping icon, so it will show you this notification sound assistance is displaying over the app. You can ignore it, that's fine, because if it is not, then you can also disable it. Like when you drag it, it will show you to dismiss the icon here. You can dismiss it, so it will not show you until and unless you will press the volume key here, okay. If you press it, then it will again start showing to you, okay. So let me know how would you like to rate this video, okay. If you have any understanding, if you have do not understand anything, please feel free to ping me also. And like to this video, subscribe to my channel, help to spread my channel across your friends. So thank you. Till then, stay peace, stay connected. Thank you. Have a good day.